Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the alternator on 2012 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Okay, let's get started, guys. So before we start remove the alternator, please disconnect the battery first. Okay, just disconnect the terminal battery. So and then start remove the alternator. Okay, we use the number 14mm to remove you see the tensioner, dry bed tensioner in here. Just 14 and pull it and pull the belts out. Here you go. I just leave it alone because and after we use number 14 for the alternator bolt here, but I'm not gonna do the 14 bolt yet. Need to remove the plug in here. See it? Plug one here, and alternator terminal here is number 10mm. Here you go. It's 10. I don't know you guys can see clearly or not. Let me have to find a good spot for you. I think this one is a good spot already. You just disconnect it, and let me see what next. And unscrew the number 10mm on the top in here for the bracket. The bolt drop. Okay. So after we install it, just disconnect the knock sensor, locks out. It's an oil pressure switch, it's not knock sensor. Okay, after you remove everything out, it's time to remove the alternator bolt. Okay, we use the number 14mm. Very simple. Yes, let me find a good place where you guys can see it. It's a 14, see it? 14. This job is a very easy job, guys. You can try it at home. Put the bolt on here and gotta close the bottom one. Here you go. The last bolt come out. Put in here on the side. And it's time to pull the old ones out. See, it's out. It's old alternator. Let me pull it. See, there's an old one. The old one's out, guys. So we're gonna install a new one. Wait 1 second. Let me adjust the camera a little bit for the new one. There's a new alternator for that car. I used the Denso one. Is part number is a 210-1159. They make in United States. Okay, so let me put in here and install the new one. Very good, very good. Okay, this a new one look like. Let me install it. Let's put it here. Okay, so let's install the upper bolt first. Alright, so it's in now. If you guys want to torque it, you can torque around 36 or 40 foot-pound. Okay, but this bolt is not necessary to torque it for me. So we drop in here. good enough. Okay, perfect. And install the bulb back in. Let me see, there's the last part for me. Second, let me bring the right tool. Just put on with the AC compressor. Let me see. Come on. Okay, and go to the water pump. Should be good. Let me double check it. Make sure the barrel sit right. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, so it's almost done, guys. Last part, just put the bracket bolts back in. This is number 10mm on the top here. Let's install it. Boom. And alternator plug in here. Just plug it back in. Press the switch. And the last part, just put the alternator terminal. Ding is 10mm. Again. Let me see. Get a new one. I lost a nut in here is 10mm. Install it. Okay. Ties it. And the last part, never forget, okay? Just put the battery terminal back in. Install it. Knock it up a little bit. Okay, once again, let me put in here and tie it. Perfect. Okay, guys. Okay, it's all set to go. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any question how to change the alternator, just let me know. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.